What's up, guys? My name is Align, also known as the Bearded Bear, and today I have Ella with me and our FJ cruiser named Fiji. As we said in the last video, we're going to be doing that thing, the exhaust, and I spared you guys the pain of watching me sawzall that thing off. So from here, we're just installing this thing. It's the donut, the gasket. We have some rubber hangers, the actual hardware, and I'm gonna actually be installing this now. So next clip you'll see is me trying to muscle that thing on. All right. Sorry for the traffic. It's a little loud, but this is me under the car. Yay.
Yay. I'm trying to be under the car.
So I gotta get this, the donut, off of the actual exhaust. These can be a pain in the butt to get off sometimes. So we're just gonna struggle a bit. Actually, we're not, because it's a Toyota. Okay, well, I lied, and there it is. So give me the new one. Okay, crawling.
Is it in this package here? Yes, this is the new one.
And then get
Handle.
yeah, this is gonna take 2 seconds. This is gonna be harder to open than taking the fucking thing off.
Need my kniff again?
No.
Oh no!
I got it. There you go. Don't litter. Save the planet. Save the turtle.
Save the turtle. Okay. What else do you need?
I'm still here, so I'm gonna put this on. It should just slide on, and it totally does. Okay, it's on. So now I need that pipe and that hardware. But before we do that, let's get some tools. So this is piece number 1. We're going to connect it to the actual header collector. It should after the cats. So as you can see, straight pipe. We're going to run it like this. Right? Hell yeah, brother. No. When you connect this, we have hardware. All the hardware is 15. So 15 mil, 15 mil, 15 mil. And then by chance, the actual slip piece that goes over the muffler when we put this on connects here. This is also a 15. So I'm gonna go underneath. Let's get this going. I'm gonna bring all the tools I need, the hardware, and one of these with me. So I'll see you under. So piece is going up. I'm gonna make sure that all the heat shields are where they need to be. First things first, I'm gonna try to muscle this hanger on so I don't have to hold it. There we go. And that's a problem. Like this. Yeah, there we go. Okay. It's still gonna hit me in the head. Okay, so we got to get one up first. Get it on here in a way that makes sense. Yeah. Ooh, the thing. Hopefully I can catch some of these threads. Huh. Hold on. Oh. Okay. Alright, so here's the problem I ran into. Apparently Toyota has these breakaway nut leg things on both sides, which makes sense why the bolts were missing, and how she developed a exhaust leak. So over time, she must have hit something. As you can see right here, this one bent, and this was probably the screw that was holding the whole thing together. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut these little arms off so I can get the nut on there, and we can install the actual pipe. So Alright, now that the mid pipe is on, it's loosely fitted, like I tightened it down but not fully. So it's time to get this Mama Jamma on here. First things first, I need to get it on these hangers. Thankfully, FlowMaster thought ahead and greased them. Oh, there we go. That would have been bad, huh? Okay. I'll shrug you a bit, but it's okay.
You need me here?
No, we're in. Exhaust is technically on now. Let me get my hat back on.
Really?
Okay. And now we fiddle with this.
Finger it out, yeah.
Okay, well, that one's struggle bus. Where the hell is the hanger? Oh, right in front of my face. I think I'm actually easier putting it on the car. No. There we go. Okay. That's one. This one here is a little tougher. It's a bit crunchy.
It was. Oh my god, baby. Thank you so much for helping me.
Of course. What?
I'm sorry.
What?
The crumblies.
No, I spit on it.
Oh,
It needed a little lube.
Angie.
Hey, don't knock it if it works.
Mm-hmm.
There we go. Well, exhaust is taking shape. It's up everywhere it needs to be. And finally.
Sometimes he lets me help.
What? I mean, I don't know how you were going to help with this. Besides,
I mean, I could have just done it, and you like princess treatment me.
I literally am though, because I'm doing it.
I know, that's what I'm saying. Like
Oh,
I
you're
could've-
saying
I'm
I'm giving
saying-
you the princess.
yeah. I'm saying I could have just done it, and like you do this, and like you were like, I got this. He was like, I can fix that.
Oh, you know what I need now? Trade you.
The long boy?
I need the long one, yeah.
The long boy?
Hold on to that one. We're gonna need it for the front.
Oh, really? Long boy?
Yeah.
I think we're gonna get the Shiba. When we get a Shiba Inu, he's gonna be Udon long boy. Shiba. Brother.
Just to hold on to the 15 here.
Yeah, brother. Let's get Shrek up here.
Good and tight.
Good and tight, we do.
I'm gonna trade you for the Mini. We're gonna finish tightening this down, and then we'll see you guys up top when we finish down to start it up. All right, so all buttoned up, fresh hanger, two fresh hangers, and then there's the money shot. Yeah, brother. All right, we're gonna start it up, see what it sounds like. All right, you excited? Let's start it. The car is warmed up, so you're not gonna get a true cold start, but at least we get to hear it. Hell yeah, brother. All right, what do you think? I like it. All right, come on out. Let's wrap this up. Do we have a happy customer?
Yes, I absolutely love it.
Yeah, it sounds really good. It's got a way deeper tone than I thought it was going to.
Cold start, but that's not going to be for another couple days.
Couple days, tomorrow morning. Well,
no, because it's going to be like 50, 60 in the morning still.
Yeah.
So we'll do a cold start video when it gets cold again.
Yeah.
But
maybe we'll add that into the end of this video.
Yeah, I like that idea. I mean,
Okay.
some bloopers.
You got a little, the other side.
Sorry.
It's honey bun residue. That's what it was.
I actually had peanut butter and fluff.
Oh, you totally did have fluff. So that was fluff. It's still there. It's ready.
Get it off.
No, I'm all dirty.
Whatever.
It's okay. All right, well, that wraps this up. It wasn't too bad. It took me all of like 30, 40 minutes. Don't mind the chaos that unfolds in my neighborhood. Anyway, that's the end of this. It only took me like 30, 40 minutes. It wasn't too bad. We didn't really struggle with anything. The one thing I did have to do, unfortunately, yeah,
Cut that bitch off.
I sawed all that off because these bolts, if I show you,
Quite rusty.
they are never coming off. I could probably soak them in PB, but the rust pretty much like welded itself together with rust. So that's it. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you guys next time. Give it a hell yeah, brother. Hell yeah, brother. Well, hell yeah, brother. I promised a cold start sound clip of this thing with the new exhaust. We've been out riding because the weather's been beautiful, but let me prop this up and see if we can get a cold start.